Looks really good.
Appreciate it, man.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Nice.
We'll end up switching doors mid-demo. We'll do both doors open.
Whatever's loudest for you, man.
Yeah,
So you know.
that's what I'm saying. We'll switch it off.
Oh, okay. Could you show me your name and what's in here real quick?
Alright, so I'm Anthony Boya. We got 4 FU Audio 15s, the 1250s. We got 2 Rockville 18s for Midbass.
You said 18s?
Yeah, right here.
Really?
The seats, yeah.
Is that not part of the cubic space of the sub though?
They're in a single 1.5 cube
Okay.
sealed enclosure in there.
Sweet.
So they're sharing a cube and a half.
Yeah, got it.
Then I got 2 8s in each door, 2 tweeters in each door. Genius Audio, 1 pair of Logic tweeters.
Yep.
JVC radio. I got a Banda DSP. I'll show you the 4 channels out there. There's a Brand X and actually there's only a monoblock on the Logic Audio.
Alright.
Then I got a Teramps 8K, just one on the 18s, and a 5K on those 18s right there for the Midbass.
Sweet. Yeah, it'll shake everything. Is there a way I can see the amp? The amp set up in the back. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Wow.
So, Jake,
How you doing? Great.
these are the 15 highs, man.
Sweet. Nice. Really used your space. Built it all in.
Yep, I sure did.
Nice. Awesome. Looks good.
Thanks, man.
Yes, sir.
Amp alternator.
320 amp alt?
Yeah.
Okay. 96 ampere headway.
Big
Wow.
day. Yep.
Looks really good.
Appreciate it, man.
I just wanted to see, I've never seen these before. I've seen them on Amazon and other sites, but I've just never seen them in person. Everything's are huge for some mids.
Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna do the first thing we'll do is we'll hit you off with some lows.
Okay. Really great bandwidth.
Yeah.
Dude, and if even with both doors open, it didn't fall off. So your cone area and your port area definitely unique.
Let me find a mid sound so you can hear that real quick. And I got my whole team is over here. If you want demos from everybody.
Yeah, we're doing it. We're here all day today.
I got you, brother.
Yes, sir. Tomorrow we're giving demos of our build. Today's getting demos.
Nice. Where's you brought yours?
Yeah.
Dude,
over there.
I've been wanting a fucking demo from that thing, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeAVile when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.